This chord can be voiced with 3 horns and 3 clarinets. I'm going to use overlaying method. The horns take the C, D sharp and the E. The F sharp, G and the A sharp will be played by 3 clarinets. Is this effective voicing? Of course not. There is undesirable tension between the instruments because of the second intervals. The overlaying is a less effective method. You can find the best voicing than this one. As I said, before starting to voice the chord, you'd better analyze the construction of the chord. At first glance, it looks like the chaos of the chromatic tones. But this is a polychord containing a union of 2 different triads, C major and D sharp minor. Now, the chord is understandable. Okay, when you are going to voice polychords, try to highlight each chord of the construction with the same or similar timbres as much as possible. Thereby, all the chords of the construction will be clear and audible in the orchestra. For example, let's use the interlocking method. The C major chord is in the horns, while the D sharp minor will be played by 3 clarinets. The lower note also can be substituted with the bassoon as it has a warm timbre like the horn. When a medium or stronger dynamic is required, the upper portion of the harmony should be doubled by 2 instruments. For example, 3 clarinets can be reinforced by 2 bassoons and 1 English horn.